What is up, YouTube? This is Tony Pollock with Real Life Trading. Wanted to give you a quick update on these markets and show you key levels, as I always do. We broke out above this resistance level we talked about last week, and it rampaged up. We are into some resistance now. In fact, we are having an interesting little pennant pattern happening here, and it's trying to respect that. So if you see these red lines coming through here, we are in a pennant pattern. We've been in one for 6. We're playing into the top range of this pattern now. You can see how well we respected it previously. Now we're doing the exact same thing. So I'm expecting some pullbacks. We did buy some puts on Friday up into here, and now it's trying to pull on back. So this is a short area. I think if we continue to go bullish, expect some sort of reversals coming through this week. We're very, very extended, a lot of gaps that need to be filled, and so it makes a lot of sense that we pull back. So expect some bears to come through, maybe a little bit of chop in here for the next few days, but we should be pulling back down, is what makes the most sense in these markets. And then we've got some bouncing areas, key areas from 402 to 397. Anywhere up into here is a huge level for the bulls. Bulls should be all over this. So when we get here and we don't see a whole lot of lower wicks coming in on these candles, be prepared, because it might bounce a little and then roll over and come right to the bottom of this pennant pattern around like 380 to 385 ballpark, just kind of depending on where it hits it at. Okay, so that's what I'm waiting for. There's another bounce area that we had scheduled from last week around 380, no doubt, or 390. I'm sorry. That's a very, very strong area. Right now, though, the key levels in this week are going to be up around 413, 410 to 415, let's say, and then 402 to 397. So anywhere in between here is going to be a little bit tough to read sentiment. Up in here and down into here is going to be pretty clean to be able to figure out how strong are the bears and how strong are the bulls. And if we just go blowing out through this, then again, it's extended. Plan on some reversals, because it's going to kind of play into this here, right? The higher we get, the bigger it's going to drop type feel. We need to pull back and then get going higher from there. So again, a lot of bulls feeling FOMO, and they're waiting for some pullbacks. Really great candle. We'll see how today's candle closes, but I will keep you up to date throughout the rest of this week of how these markets play out, what happens, what to expect. I love you all. Thanks for hanging out. Again, comment down below for some tickers. If you want me to take a look at them, I will do it on the next video. I love you guys. See ya.